Explorer. Welcome back to our channel once again, and today we are going to be making a hands-on project. Yes, and it's called a blender. Yes, a blender. So these are the materials that we need to make our blender. We need a carton, we need a battery, we need the connecting wire, we need a switch, we need a rotor, we need the blade for our blender, we need our cutter to actually cut out, we need pencil, we need ruler, and we need a blender jar. Then the last but not the least, we need a glue gun. So let's get started.
Action.
So this is our blender. We've come to the end of making our blender. Can you see how it is? Very beautiful, right? For more amazing projects like this, do not forget to like, to share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.